Welcome back. Let's do question 422. In the diagram, M is the center of the circle. Then Pn is the diameter. KL is the tangent to the circle at N. We need to find the equation of KL. Right, what do we know about the tangent and the radius? They are perpendicular to each other at their point of contact. So here, this is the point of contact N. So it means that MN or PN is perpendicular to KL. And then we know that the gradients of perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals of each other. Since the tangent and the radius are perpendicular to each other, we can say that the gradient of radius times the gradient of the tangent should give us -1 because they are negative reciprocals of each other. Now we can find the gradient of the radius because we have point M and N there. We can use these 2 points to find the gradient of the radius. Let's find the gradient of radius. Gradient of radius is equal to, let's say, y at N minus y at M divided by x at N minus x at M. So meaning that we have -2 minus -5 over 7 minus 3. Then -2 minus -5 is like -2 plus 5, which is 3. And then 7 minus 3, that is 4. Then the gradient of the radius is 3 over 4. Meaning that the gradient of the tangent is -4 over 3. Right, you can do this. You can substitute your gradient of radius here and say 3 over 4 times gradient of tangent is equal to -1. You divide by 3 over 4 on both sides of the equation. You'll get that M tangent is equal to -4 over 3. Okay, which is this. Just know that the negative reciprocals of each other, if you have A over B, the negative reciprocal of A over B is what? -B over A. Or the negative reciprocal of -B over A is A over B. So you can move from this to this, or also move from that to that. Right. So now we have the gradient of the tangent and a point. We have the gradient of the tangent and a point. So we can use the gradient and the point to find the equation of the line. So y is equal to mx plus c. So where there's m, you put -4 over 3. And then where there's y, you put -2. Where there's x, you put 7. So it's 2 is equal to -4 over 3. And then times 7. No, this one is -2, not 2. Y is -2. X is 7. And then plus c. Now we can find c. So it becomes -2 plus, this is -28 over 3. So if it comes, this side becomes 28 over 3. 28 over 3 is equal to c. Then we find that c is equal to 22 over 3. Therefore, the equation is y is equal to -4 over 3, then x plus 22 over 3. We can also use this. We can also use this formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m, then x minus x1. Right, we have our gradient. Then our y is -2, so is y minus -2 is equal to m, -4 over 3. Then x minus, our x is 7, x minus 7. Then again, y plus 2 is equal to -4 over 3, x plus 28 over 3. Transpose, positive 2 becomes -2. Then y is equal to -4 over 3, x. Then 28 over 3 minus 2, you'll get your 22 over 3.